If you've forgotten your Pandora password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the login page. Visit the Pandora website or open the Pandora app on your device. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Pandora account. Type in your email address and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Pandora. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Now you can log into your Pandora account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for further assistance.